Okay, welcome ulit po sa akin. Saturday Basketball ng Action Live here sa Women's Hall Warm-Up Center, warm-up court po ng Aspire. Ito pa ang third season, Aviation Friendly, Dabas sa Flying League. Brought to you by the following sponsors, Team LBC, Harlem Padilla, and Thread the Needles. And of course, part by Team SBP Pilipinas, Catado Chapter, and PSBQ Basketball League. And first game for tonight is Mechanicos versus The Hub. Okay, last 1 minute pa before the opening whistle to be blown now. Playing white po is The Hub. Yan po sila. Dimokalangan and Company along with Nichols. Ang kanilang skipper. And of course, dito naman po is eto naman sila Jerome at si Sienna po. Playing dark naman po is The Mechanicos. Muli po ako po sa RBG Vlog Studio. And I'll deliver na blow-by-blow action po sa larong po ito. First game for tonight is The Hub versus Mechanicos. Good evening po sa inyo po lahat po sa ating mga manood po ngayon. And we're just waiting up for the opening whistle to be blown between The Hub and The Mechanicos. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pala po. And also yesterday po, maraming salamat po sa yung pagbabasensya, and the links now already been published, and also all the videos mo related videos po naka-upload na po sa aking Martin Evaristo Vlogs. To ensure po na yung video po is wala pong cut po kahapon, dahil kahapon kasi medyo magkaroon ng konting technical difficulties lang. Yung ating reception po sana is very poor po sa venue kahapon. Let's so po today po will be a lot better po ngayon sa venue ito. Maraming salamat po sila po, and we're just waiting for the opening whistle between the game between The Hub playing in white versus ito po ang The Mechanicos playing in dark or black gold combination po sila. Thank you very much. Okay, ito na. Calling all players po both sides. Alam ko para parating na kayo. Bilis-bilis po ng konti. And also after this po pala is the game between Gas and Cas. Yan pong ating final game for the day. Maraming salamat po, and let's get it on. Yan, Nonong Rivera is already watching. Good evening po sir. Nonong Rivera is watching. And also, but before that pala po, condolences po, and also tribute po tayo po kay the late great George Foreman, yung kanilang yung boxingero po nung parang ni Muhammad Ali. Yan, namatay na po siya ngayong araw na to, and thank you, and also condolence to the bereaved po sa naiwanan po niya. Yan, thank you. Okay, first quarter, The Hub playing white, and black po naman is The Mechanicos. The Mechanics. Nonong Rivera is watching. Nonong, nasa na kayo? Magandang-dahan na kayo? After this po, Cas and Gas. Last game po yan. Cas and Gas. First quarter. Si Ying, Chas Dimokulangan for the opening tip-off. Ito na. And now, nakuha ni Sienna bola. Sienna, Jerome Capos, and rebound battle won by Valdez to Tuliao. Nichols na may tanang bola na to Demi. Nitro pops up for 3. No good. And the battle won na by Dimac. Power move. Bishop muna, nakuha ni Bols. Nakuha ni Bols ang bola po. Now, Ying to Sienna. Sienna to Jerome. Pops up for 2. No good. And nakuha ni Nichols ang bola. Nichols. Now to Mr. Demi. Demi may tayo ng bola na to Dimac. Dimac, nako, and kick by Baklaan. Reset po tayo sa 14-second violation. 14-second shot clock violation. Resetted po, and nakuha po dyan. Naipit. Naipit na tuloy talaga. Sir. Okay. Balik muli po tayo ngayon si Baklaan ng bola. Baklaan ng bola, number 4. Baklaan pops up for 2. No good. And not to Demi naman. Demi to Valdez. Malakas. Nakuha ni Baklaan ng bola. Baklaan down to Siena. 2 points Siena. Siena 2 points. 2-0 po kalama. 2-0 po score po natin. Siena bring up open up the first quarter with a 2-point layup to Dimac. Di makulangan. Naipit ng konti. And it's a foul called. Gooseball rep. Thank you. Okay, bola buli po para sa hub. Hindi mo kulangan. Cutters and Tuliao Nichols for 3. Offline. Bolts down. Nakuha si Siena ang bola. Siena leading the charge. Siena! Wala. Up! Boy! Same ball. Black ball muli po tayo. Black ball. Di na control Valdez po yung kanyang yung kanyang pagkuha ng bola. Then now to Baklaan to Boholtz. And now to Ying. No good. And now Dimac na naman ang bola. Dimac. Take 2. Di mo kailangan shooting for 2. Take 2 si Dimac. First shot. Di mo kailangan. No good. Second throw. Jumpers ready. No good. Take second throw po tayo. Jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. 2-1 score po natin. The score is 2-1. Mechanicals leading by 1 point. Balls. Baklaan. Naibantayan. Nato Jerome. Baklaan. And Siena. Foul. 17, Demi called for the foul. Ying for the inbound. Inbound po ni Ying. Bulls foul again called. Foul number 0. 0 called for the foul. Bulls. Desho pass kay Ying. Kay Jerome pops up. 2 points. For 1. For 1. Lamang ng 3 ang Mechanicals. Tuliao. And to Dimac. Side set. Wala ko sayang. Mutik na. Dimac again shooting for 2. Dimac shooting for 2. Scott. Good evening sa Scott. Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Relatively show. Notable slow start muna po tayo yun. Parang ginagamay nila yung venue ngayon. And Dimac second throw. Wala. And rebound battle. Won by Ying. Si Ying driving. Nako, nawala. To Dimac naman. Dimac kulangan. No good. Nako ni Demi. Valdez. Dimac. Power move. 2 points, Dimac. 2 points. Dave Perido, nasaan ka na, Dave? Ba't wala ka rito? And Shena, binantayan ni Denny. Shena, okay, check and won by Jerome. Jerome to Bulls. Bulls to Shena. Shena, 2 points, Shena. Shena, 2 points. The score is 6-3. Lamang muli po ng tatlo ang wala foul. Ang Mecanicos. Baklaan, Didi all the way. 2 points again. Running shot by Baklaan. 2 points. 8-3 and up. Change 5. Change 5 po. Change 5. Okay, sa kabila na po si Mendoza, si Nit. Okay, Mendoza. Si number 8, si number 18, si number 13 at retain lang si Demo Colangan. Sa kabila naman, yan. Retain lang si Shena. Sa kabila naman, si number 87, si number 9, si number 5 at si number 12. Okay, good luck po sa inyo. Koy Max. Okay. D-Mac lost the ball. Recovered again. D-Mac again. D-Mac. Nababantay ni Shena. Tadifa. Mendoza. 2 points, Mendoza. Mendoza, 2 points. The score is 8-5. 3-point lead po Kalamangan. And now, stepping on the line. Team. Natapak na sir, natapak na po. Stepping on the line. Nipit, inbounding to Mendoza. Mendoza dribbling the ball. And attack now to D-Mac. D-Mac low, high post position. Nipit. Wala pinasahan. And na Mendoza recovery. Recovery Mendoza. And lost the ball. Balik muli po sa itim ang bola. Okay, itim muli pang bola. Bola po muli po ng itim. Yan si Walter. Nandyan din pala sa loob. Walter driving. Kick pass kay Koy Max. Hindi na silang bola. Koy Max, gaya ni Koy. Mendoza. Itim para itim. Black. Thank you. Okay, now Mendoza slicing. And pops up si number 18. No good. Rebound battle. Won by the black man. Number 12. Kapos. Mendoza. Baseball pass to Nakuha din ni D-Mac naman. 2 points D-Mac. 8-7 ang score po natin. Lamang na po ng isa ang team Mecanicos. Siena driving, turn around, palpal, and 1 play. Siena 2 points plus bonus free throw. Number 21, Siena, bonus free throw. Siena, bonus free throw. Pops up. No good. Nakuha ni Nipit ang bola. D-Mac. Kay Tadipa. Traveling violation ang tinawag sa bata. Tadipa, traveling violation now. Again, Walter. Siena on the attack again. Siena, no good. Rebound. Won by Palpali. Number 9 again. No good. D-Mac. D-Mac kulangan. Nipit. Power move. Palpal ng bagya. Ayan. Koy Max. 2 points. Koy Max. 12-7, lamang muli po ng 5 muli po ang Team Mecanicos. Mendoza. Nakuha ni Siena ang bola. Siena. Foul! Called. Foul Mendoza. A minute 45 remaining. Timeout called by the Hub. Okay, you're watching now the Hub versus Mechanicals game. First game po natin. Ano ba naman tong YouTube na to? First game po tayo yun. And after this po is Cas and Gas. Yan, ha? Cas and Gas after this game po, ha? And you're still watching again now, Hub and Mechanicals. Walter pops up. Malakas. Nakuha ni Di Makabola. Di Makulangan. Dimak! Palpal, bagya. Nakuha ni Tadipa. Nakuha ni Walter ang bola. Hop! Ayun, Mendoza. 2 points, Mendoza. 2 points, Mendoza. 12-9 ang score. Tatlo na lang yan. Mike. Siena driving. And lost the ball. White ball. Mendoza. Inupang ko muna to. And Dimak. Bishop pass kay Tadipa. Wala, kapos. Tadipa shooting for 2. Tadipa shooting for the first shot. Out. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready. It's in. 12-10, 2-point lead. 2 points lead by Mechanicals. 38 seconds. Tadipa against Siena. And to Mike to Siena. Siena driving. Number 9 rather. And nakuha ni Walter. 2 points, Walter. Tadipa. Dimak. 6 seconds remaining. 5, 4, 3. No good. Mendoza, kapos. Okay, that's it. First quarter is ended. The score is 14-10. Laman po ng 4 ang The Mechanicals. Again, you're watching Mechanicals in the Hub. And after this po is Cas versus Gas. Okay, these games for the SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ. And also, of course, Canadians at Team LBC, Hanan Padala. And third season po tayo yun ng Aviation Friendly League. Okay, second quarter start. Okay, si Ying, Baklaan, Walter, Jerome, at si Bolst. Kabila naman, si Nitro, si Nipit, si Tuliao, si Nitro, si Demi, at si Valdez. Pahinga muna si Di Makulangan. Demi. Nitro for 3. No good. Nice hustle play pero hindi pumubra para kay Denny. Ying against Nipit. No good. And Nitro. Nice D by Nipit. Tuliao. Nico Tuliao for 3. No good. And nakuha po ni Bowles ang bola. Bowles leading the charge. Bowles Bulls. 2 points, Bulls. 9:19 remaining. 16-10 na score. Jerome. Intercepted by Walter. Baklaan. Ying. Wala. Nice interception and almost by Walter. And natutulyaw. Malakas. Hop. White ball. Point blank. Tulyao missing that mark. And now Demi to Tulyao. Tulyao taking 3. Wag mo na ra. Tulyao turn around. Wala pa rin. Nip it. Wala pa rin. Tulyao naman. Nitro for 3. No good. And nakuha pa ni Bulls ang bola. Bulls. And to Baklan. Walter for side step. Patay. Pasok ang bola. From the wings. Demi. Nichols. Nichols stripped away. Ball stripped away. Up. Kick ball. 14-second shot clock. Second shot clock awarded. Ayun na. Intercepted. Intercepted again by Baklan. Baklan. No good. Jerome, labas muna. Pops up. Toop. Tako, nilabas. Walter, pwede yung shot. Wala pa rin. Butik na ang bola. Pero, take 2. Free throws awarded para kay Jerome. Jerome shooting for 2. Handog po yan po ng Thread the Needles at Team LBC. Hari ng padala. Jerome. Pops up. Kapos. Jerome, second shot. Jumpers ready. It's in. Demi, binabati ni Walter. Demi hungry by Walter. Matigas ang bantay. And now to back to muli po kay Mr. Nichols. Demi for 3. No good. Jerome naman. Jerome, 2 on 1. 2 on 3. Wala. Traveling violation. Tumama tuhod. Tuhod. Sakit yan pag tuhod. Sir. Ano yan? Tuhod. Natuhod. Masakit yun, pagtuhod.
Lamang pala mekanikos.
Mekanikos, lamang. Ganin muna, kailangan nila. Pagpagin na muna, pero ano. Okay, balik muli tayo. Back to the ball game tayo. Najib McGarber ni Sears watching. And substitution muna po para kay Jerome. Okay, balik tayo ngayon. Si Bulls ang bola. Bulls ang bola. Ball driving. At nakuha ni Demi. Demi, ayun! Naiwan mag-isa si Valdez. 2 points, Valdez. Ying against Valdez. Ying. Bulls man. Sinusuntutan. Wala, ayaw dumubra. And now to Walter. Bulls driving, pops up, kapos. One more time. Wala pa rin. And foul called. Foul Siena. Bola po ng The Hub. The score is 19-12. A 7-point lead been posted ng ating Mechanicos. And now to Nipit. Oy! Nasundot. And to Siena. Siena! No good. And same ball. Sabi ng referee, same ball. Last touch si Demi, same ball. Touch last by Demi, same ball po tayo, same ball. And now Ying driving, popping. Muntik na. Take 2. Muntik na. Take 2 tayo, take 2 para kay Ying. Ying shooting for 2 and 5 minutes already. Second lineup po, tinatawagan po ngayon, second lineup. Okay, babalik ngayon si D-Mac naman. D-Mac, si number 18, Tadipa at si Mendoza. Retain si Nicole. Sa kabila naman, si Walter will be retained. Si number 12, papasok muna at si Koy, number 87. De La Peña, papasok din yata after some time. Nope. One more time. Second try. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Wala. Remark naka-rebound. Oop! Same ball. Same ball, same ball, same ball. Same ball tayo, same ball, same ball. Eto na. And now to Mark. Mike, napunta kay Siena. Bola Siena. Siena driving. Mike! 2 points, Mike. Power move. Wala pa rin. Denied. Foul. Traveling call. Sorry, rather. Traveling. Nice D by Tadifa. And timeout called by Mechanicos. Pamanting. Game. Nichols for the inbound. Nichols for the inbound. D-Mac. 21-12. Lamang ng Siyam. D-Mac nakalusot. 2 points D-Mac. Siena bola, Siena turn around and one play made in Siena. And one play para kay Siena, 2 points kagad and bonus free throw. Pops up. It's in. 24-14, 3 minutes 26 remaining. D-Mac, nagantay. Mendoza. Nice one by 18, no good. Tadipa, palpal, may foul. Shena called for a foul, sumabit. Tadipa shooting for 2. First shot, no good. Second throw, jumper's ready. Second free throw, jumper's ready para kay Tadipa. Pops up. Wala. Dako na ni Mike ang bola. Mike to Shena. Shena again, leading the charge. Shena. And one play made by Shena. Shena is on the roll today, ha? Shena back-to-back field goals kay Shena. 26-14 ang score. Possible 3-point play by Shena also. Pops up. It's out. Nandun si Mike and outside. Okay, pagpag lang yan. Okay, Nichols, galing kay Mr. Tadipa. Nichols. D-Mac, hang time, no good. One more time para kay D-Mac. Palpal, pero may foul. Sumabit si Walter. D-Mac, shooting for 2. Pinaglalaban mo yata si D-Mac eh. Pinaglalaban mo, kaya D-Mac ka-shoot eh. Kaya pala eh, tigas pala eh, tigas. 2 minutes 23 remaining. Second shot. Number 5 ha. Walter called for the foul ha. Second shot kay D-Mac. D-Mac, second throw. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, 26-15. Laman na 11. Shena, binabate ni Tadipa. Shena against Tadipa. Ayan, Walter against Mendoza naman. Mendoza. And now to Mr. number 12, Mike to Shena again. Shena! Foul called. Foul number 18, the hub. That's Dwight. Troy Lomtong is watching. Maraming salamat po, sir. Shena, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready. 2 minutes 2 remaining. Shena, nagpalit ng posisyon. 2 points. 2 points, Shena. 27-15 lamang po na 12 ang Mechanicos. D-Mac. Nichols. D-Mac, dalawa. Palpal. And same ball. Same ball. Tadipa. Mendoza. D-Mac. Good ball. Foul. Nichols. Foul number 4, Nichols. Shena shooting for 2. Shena shooting for 2. First shot, good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up, pasok. 29-15, a biggest lead of Mechanicos right now. D-Mac, 2 points. And now to Walter. Walter! Pinasakayin muna. No good. D-Mac nakalusot. D-Mac. Nako. Maling pilasahan. Walter for 3. Ayun. One more time. De La Peña. Wala pa rin. Rebound Barrow won by white ball. 21 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. Tuliao. 17 seconds. 10 seconds. Blocking foul on Walter. Tuliao shooting for 2. 4 seconds remaining. Check first shot, Nichols. Oy, comment kayo dyan. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw. Pops up. Kapos. Rebound di Siena. And it's out. And it's ended now. Third quarter is ended. Second quarter is ended already. Halftime muna po tayo yun. The score is 29-17. Halftime tayo. Anabuhay muna tayo against. This is your aviation friendly double sa Flying League. Now on third season na po tayo. This game is brought to you by Team LBC, hari ng padala. And Thread the Needles also. And of course, ito po ang SBB Pilipinas, PSBQ, and you're watching right now the Hub versus Mechanicals. And after this is CAS versus Gas. Calling now the teams of Gas and CAS. Nasa na kayo? Pumunta na kayo dito. Third quarter na po. Maraming salamat. Gas and CAS, where are you? Dito. Okay, balik po tayo. Okay, balik tayo. Hub pala, Hub. Hub will go on the offense. Hub. Nitro. Denny. D-Mac. 2 points D-Mac. Mike, traveling violation. Naunang hakbang sa tapak. Naunang hakbang sa yapak. And 2 points back-to-back Valdez. 29-21. 9:15 remaining. Bulls. Si Siena nakapahinga muna. Si Jerome baka bumalik pa yan. Nag-ano lang ng injury nga kanina. And now Mike Kapos. Foul. Bob Baklang called for the foul. Same ball po tayo. The Hub for the inbound. Nitro nag-inbound po siya. to Mr. Demi. Nitrogen. Okay, back to the bogey muli po tayo ngayon. Ito na. Hop! Good ball, good ball, good ball. Walang ano, Tulyaw, and Demi. Nako, nipit, power move. Malakas. D-Mac, and nice D ni D-Mac. Napainit kanina. D-Mac, 2 points D-Mac. Okay, don't look now. The score is 29-27 from a high 14 down to 2. Ying! Foul! D-Mac. Ying shooting for 2. Ying shooting for 2. Pops up. Kapos. Second try. Jumpers ready. Atis Jerome will don't shoot up again now dahil sa nangyari kanina. And pops up. It's in. Okay. Nipit. And now to Nichols. Pops up. Bang, bang. No good. Walter. Nakuha ni Bakla. Foul on Demi. Demi called for a foul. Again, thank you muli po. Najee McGyver and Scott. Nanonood muli sila. Thank you muli po. And also, shoutout sa'yo din. Shoutout kay Mr. Tan. And now to Mr. Koy. Pops up. No good. And almost had the ball. Nip it again. Nip it from to Nichols. Nichols to D-Mac. D-Mac. Ayaw ni D-Mac. Masyado matigas ang team depensa. Long 3. No good. Rebound battle won by Demi. Fade away shot. No good. Nakuha ni Walter ang bola pero nabigay kay Ying. Ying! Stripped away. Foul! Nichols. Foul. Nichols. Tinagamo rin yung kalaban. Tinagamo. Wapak! Nawapak yung kalaban. Nawapak. Okay, Ying. Shooting for 2. 30-27. Umaalago muli po ang Mechanicos at 5 minutes 55 remaining. And after this po is Gas versus Gas ang labanan ngayon. Battle of the sister teams. Okay, now Ying, second shot, jumpers ready. Ying pops up. Both basket made. 32-27. Lamang muli po na 5. Lamang po na 5 ang Team Mechanicos. Tulyaw. Pops up. And one play. Yes, sirree. Siena. Turn it around. Stripped away the ball. Okay, now 0-1-on-1 situation. 2 points, Demi. Demi, 2 points. Nagtatrap, bagya nagtatrap na po ang hub. Nagsosona-sona sila. Siena, 2 points, bumawi si Siena. 34-31, lamang muli na 3. D-Mac naman ang D-Mac, 2 points D-Mac. Boy, no good. Rebound won by D-Mac. Again, fast break. Demi, 2 points. 34 all and timeout called by Mechanicos. Nagtutuloy po tayo sa larong ito. And please take note that post earlier will be deleted. And another post will be uploaded. An edited post po. Maraming salamat po. And nagpapatuloy po tayo ngayon sa ating first game for tonight between Mechanicals and the Hub. 4 minutes 26 remaining. Okay, bola po na Mechanicals. Mechanicals ball. Game. Balls. Almost on the ball. Hoy! Traveling violation called, sir. Ano, kahapon nga maraming kaya maganda yung internet ngayon, kaya ka-live yung virus tayo ngayon, sir. Kahapon maraming gumagamit yata.
So, ibig sabihin nito pala dito?
Hindi, kahapon talaga, masyadong choke yung linya kahapon. Talagang, ito nga, medyo maganda ngayon, eh. D-Mac for 3. No good. Ayun, sinipit. Held ball situation para kay Mr. Mechanicals. Mechanicals ball. Balls. Wala ang bola. And Valdez, 2 points. Valdez. Okay na, first lead na. Been tasted now by the Hub. 34-37 na. Shena, foul! Again, who's foul rep? Demi called for the foul. Demi. Shena, it's in. 35-37. Shena, second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. D-Mac secured the leather. And now Tuliao. D-Mac again. D-Mac. Valdez, side step move, nipit, malalim. Hop! Nakalusot, and foul called. Shena called for the foul. 2 minutes 50 remaining, third quarter action. Mamya, battle the sister teams. Okay, Nipit. Good game kay Nipit. Mga rebounds, sinicure niya. And 8 para kay Dwight. And na Tuliao. Mercado. Foul on Walter. Matigas si Walter. Grabe. Matibay. Wala pa. Walter called for a foul. And Mendoza. Pops up from the side. No good. Valdez naka-rebound. Dwight. Ayun. Kay D-Mac. Kapos naman. One more time. Nawala ang bola. And Scapol. Nako na D-Mac ang bola. D-Mac. Nako na Shena ang bola. Shena. Held ball situation. White ball. Mendoza. Inbound. Mendoza for the inbound. Mendoza. Nichols. Nichols. May tanga naman. Nichols. 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 Almost lost the leather. And, nako. Hindi umubra yung Eye in the Sky play nila. Matibay. Lost the ball again. Lost the ball. And Nichols. 3-on-3 situation. Nichols. Mendoza. No good. Rebound ni Ying. Palpal. Again, 3-on-4-on-2. Out. Walter. Walter naman. Walter. Fadeaway shot. No good. Mike. Mike. Palpal ni Dimac. Nichols Tuliao. Tuliao. 2 points Tuliao. Tuliao 2 points. Kick pass. Nakuha ni Dimac ang bola. Dimac. 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 Side-stepping move. And now Dimac kulangan against Walter. Shake and pick. Kick pass kay Valdez. Wala. Mike. 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 Sa kabila. Mike. Pops up. No good. 1 minute remaining. Dwight. Dimac po posisyon. Nichols driving. No good. Nakuha ng bola. Ying. Mag-isa. 2 points Ying. 37-39 at 2 point lead lang yan ng The Hub. Dimac. Dimac. Dwight. Dwight. Nichols for 3. No good. One more time. Ayun, Mike. Mike. Shena. Shena. Nako kapos. Wala na. Okay, end of the third quarter action. Okay, you're watching still the fourth quarter action coming para sa Hub Mechanicals. And after this po is Cas versus Gas. Ito pang A-base of Fernay Dabas sa Flying League. Ito po yan. Third season na po tayo. Live po sa Aspire Women's Ladies Hall. Training warm-up center. Warm-up area. And brought to by Team LBC ano yung padala. And Thread the Needles. And also of course SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ Basketball League. Isasend ko yung video nyon. Yung ano. Yung ano, ika-crop, i-take down ko. After, roll out pareho. Up! Ano to? Okay, fourth quarter action start now. Ying, Ying, Shena, double team, and to Ying, Ying, Ying! Palpat! Pero may foul, sabi ng referee. Referee, may foul ka. May sala ka, sabi ng referee. And Ying now again back to the line. 3 free throws again para kay Mr. Ying. 9 minutes 49. Wala, 10 minutes 10 seconds na nataptab sa fourth quarter action natin. Ying pops up. Bang! First shot made. Owens, Sir Owens. Good evening, Sir Owens. And Paul Mark Corpus is also watching. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up.
Baka anak niya.
Baka mga anak niya. Baka si, ano, isa. Tabla tayo at 39. Tablado, stripping 9 tayo. And now to D-Mac. D-Mac. D-Mac, nagmadali. D-Mac sa ilalim. Tadipa. 2 points, Tadipa. Goals. Koy, no good. Walter, nakaribang. Walter. Siena, nilabas muna. Mainip ka sa loob. Siena, second pick. Ayaw. And now to Bolts. No good. Rebound to D-Mac. Dwight to Mendoza. Tadipa, hindi lumubra ang kanyang floater shot. Ying! Foul. Mendoza. Foul away sa ball. Mendoza. Side court po, side throw tayo. Side throw po tayo. Side throw. Bolesti. And now to Ying. 39-41. 8 minutes 31 remaining. Siena. Foul again by Dwight. Kanina may back-to-back 3 points siya. Siena against Mendoza again. Hop! Same ball.
Kumakabata ka pala.
Balls. Ayun, Walter. Tapos. Oh, dikit laban. Kanina lumamang ng 14 ang Mechanicals, boss.
Mechanicals pa naman kami.
Oh, pinabol lang ng dahap. And to Dwight. No good. Ying, naka-rebound. Ying! No good. Walang foul. No foul. And to Dwight, balakas ang pasa. Tadipa. D-Mac, secure the letter. D-Mac, nakawala. And palpal. D-Mac, second chance kay D-Mac. Pasok. Pass break tayo. Nakunin yung bola. Ying. Wala pa rin. Walang foul. No foul. Foul. Di makulangan, shooting for 2. Okay, si Nichols, papasok muna para kay Valdez. Quality minutes para kay Valdez. Nice game para kay Valdez. Papahinga muna siya. And D-Mac, shooting for 2 po tayo. D-Mac, first shot. Pasok. 39-44. 5 po ang kalamangan ng The Hub. Second shot, jumpers ready. D-Mac. Pops up. No good. Rebound ni Ying. And now to Koy. Uy. Koy. And to Walter, kumasing and foul. Foul, Tadipa. Tadipa called for the foul. Blocking foul by Tadipa.
Sorry.
Foul Mendoza. And penalty situation, the Hub.
Billy.
Pagod na, pagod siya na.
Pagod na yata si Billy. Maganda si Billy. Pagod na si Billy.
Siena, first shot. It's out. Oh, it's in.
Okay
It's
na
in.
pala yun to. Paggabi, okay na. Nakausap ko siya, OJ. Okay na, hindi na sila magano.
Ano yung general naman?
Second shot. No good. Rebound ni D-Mac. D-Mac naka-rebound. 40-44. Tulyao. Nichols. Buti wala yung pasok yun, boss. Intercepted by Bohol.
Magpapasok ko bukas. Alas 5 po.
12 hours kayo?
12 hours yun.
Walang, may overtime yun?
Hindi, ano ako, regular na yan. Basta regular duty kami, ano.
Okay, 2 points sa dipa.
12 ang pasok namin. Basta
Hindi,
regular.
walang overtime yun?
Wala. Pero may day off kami, may 3 araw.
Ayos ah.
Pero straight yun, apat na araw, 12 oras. Hindi naman ako.
Apat na araw, 12-12, then may 3 araw day off. Then pagbalik mo, ano na, panggabi ka na.
Hindi, ano yun, yung 4 na araw, yung 2 umaga, 2
Gabi.
Tapos 12 hours yun.
Then day off. Ah.
Eh, galing kang gabi, tutulog ka hapon na nagigising. So para may 2 araw ka pa rin.
Ayos. Operations nila halos ito. Operations
Ano mo kasi dun yung gabi? Yung umaga kasi
yung kalaban mo gabi.
Gabi. Taka yung ano, yung transition, yung galing kang pang umaga, magpapagabi ka. Galing kang pang gabi, magpapagabi. Yung mabili lang yung transition. Bakit? Yung sanay na.
Foul, Koy. D-Mac, 2 points. Foul, Tadifa. 42-49, laman na 5 pa rin po ang Team The Hub. Takot nutang, hindi mo. Hello? Hello, you call me, sir? Arvin. You call my name? Oh. Hello? Yes, you call me? You call my other number. No, my 6644-9228. You call that number. That's my other number. You called another number. 6644. Which company this one, sir? Qatar Power? Is Qatar Power? Are you Qatar Power, sir? Qatar Power. Yeah.
Balik ka tayo next week yan, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay, okay. Thank you.
Balik ka tayo sa Newton next week.
Sige, maganda yan, sir. Maganda. Pero maganda rin dito.
Maganda dito kasi ito.
Pero mahal, no? Mahal. 100. Ayun sa Newton.
180. Kaso dito walang libre. Doon kasi may mga extra ako na 30 minutes.
Walang dito.
Wala.
Dito walang mercy rate.
Walang
mercy
talaga
rate
dito. Kumbaga, per oras talaga ang bayad dito. Tapos 200. So,
Bali, kailan po ano, quarterfinal? Sa ilan po
bali,
ano?
isa na lang. Isang ano na, elimination na lang. Next week yan. Tapos quarterfinals na yun. April 4.
April 4.
Quarterfinals, baka isahin ko lang yun. Isang Friday lang
Apat na laro yun, sunod-sunod.
Apat na din yun. Isang
Then, next po is dalawa na lang. Good ball, good ball, good ball. Walter, no good. Minalas. And Koy, wala pa rin. Wala pa rin, Koy muli. Wala pa rin. Dwight, no good. Two points. Siena. 45-49. Armando Rivero is watching also. Good din po, sir.
Sabi ka daw.
Okay, 2 minutes 47 remaining of the fourth quarter action. Naman pa rin po ng apat ang Team Hub. Dimac, Tulyao driving. Ayos. Marami siya. Mendoza, ang Kinsin. Intercepted. Bali, next week, last ng elimination. Then,
April 4, Friday,
apat na laro yun. Then, sumunod, dalawa.
Tapos dalawa.
Then, battle for third, tsaka championship.
Dalawang game.
Bali yun, ano. Mababa na pala, nagigit tayo.
Oo. Isang araw na lang din naman ito.
Okay na yan,
Tapos kung meron naman masasabayan, pwede ka naman sumabay para.
Pero kailan nyo, yung pang-40s nyo, isang hindi ganyan.
Hindi, after nito.
May 40s nyo. Sabihin nyo lang sa kung ano kung ano yung video.
Kasi doon naman, 2 lang entry dito doon. Kung gusto nilang may
offensive foul! Binigyan.
Kung gusto pa nila may video ako, separate ko yung 300.
Sige ba, sir? Sige, sir. Basta na tawag nyo lang, sir.
Kasi minsan ano lang ako doon, 6 na team lang yung sumasali sa practice ko eh. So mabilis lang yun, parang ito Friday lang yun, tapos na yun.
Sige, sir.
Ang mga 2.5 months.
Sino player doon?
Ha?
Sino mga player doon? Foul! Balls!
Kasali yung cash, ang in-flights kasali din doon. Cash, in-flights,
Pero mga 40s.
Oo, 40s yun dapat sir. 40.
Hindi pwedeng, hindi pwedeng,
39 minibig
Hindi
na. 39 minibig.
hindi pwedeng mga 20, mga
Hindi pwede, mga bata, hindi pwede. Kaya makikita mo doon mga takbuhang ano lang. Takbuhang 40 na sir, hindi na ganun ka ano. Ito, kasali din na doon, itong mechanics. Kasali itong hub, dito sila sumasali.
Hindi pwede, mga bata
Mga
yun.
bata pa ito sila eh. Yung cast yan, sila Sir Owen, kasali yun doon sa 47. Tsaka may mga tinak sa batas.
Intercepted and Mendoza in N1. N1 kay Mendoza. And timeout called by Mechanicals. Kulang din si Mechanicals eh. Wala yung mga player ng mga Mechanicals. Alex Soldan is watching. Oy, Alex, sasaan na naman? Wala ka na naman dito. Shena, Palpal. Mendoza. Mendoza, 5 fouls, graduate. Nipit for Mendoza. Shena, first shot, good. Shena, second shot, pasok. Foul, Mike. Tuliao shooting for 2. Ah, duty pala ako. Sige, duty. O, enjoy ka muna dyan. Enjoy ka muna dyan, pre. Second shot, roll down. Pops up. Wala. And one play made. And one play made para kay Nichols. Tuliao, first shot. It's out. Two points, Shena. Shena, 2 points. D-Mac. Foul Koy, penalty situation, Mechanicals. First shot, D-Mac, pasok. Joanna Sergio Rocomores watching. Good evening po sa'yo, ma'am. Second shot. Wala. And now Ying, nagmamadali pa rin. Laman na sa Puemik ang dahap na wala. And Koy intercepted. Nipit. 2 points, Nipit. Two points, Siena. Okay, that's it, I believe so. Wala na. Okay, that's it. And that's it. Congratulations for winning the ball game. 51-58. Final score, Team The Hub. Wala mang? Ano nang score?
Tapos ng pizza.
Okay lang yun. Bakit mag-edit pa rin ako eh. Kasi na nga, mag-edit. Okay, final score po is 51-58. Winner, The Hub. Okay, that boys winner po yan.
Right, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, who's POG po, sir? Sino ba POG? Okay, sino? Nicole Sampi. Okay, Nichols po. POG po si Nichols. Oh, Nichols, hali ka rito. Sisikat ka sa akin ngayon. Sir. Oh, shoutout to, shoutout. Sir, ano masabi sa Sailor Luis? Parang nga, lumamang sila 14, pero syempre, na ano siya, naabutin nyo ng konti, sir. Naabutin nyo sila, kalaunan.
Una-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga teammates ko.
Okay, lakas.
Nagtiwala lang kami sa mga kasanggaran namin, tapos parang kinukuha lang namin yung hangin para makuha namin yung game namin.
Okay.
Tapos yun, tiwala lang sa mga teammates. Ayun lang po.
Kasi alam natin, matatapos na ang elimination, papasok na pala kayo. Sino gusto mo makakalaban sa quarterfinals? Kung matatanong kayo, kung makakapag-ibig.
Kahit sino naman.
Kahit sino naman.
Bilog naman yung bola. May tiwala naman ako sa mga kasanggaw.
Okay, video po. Sige, sir. 1 minute. Shoutout po, sir. Sige.
Sa mga kasama ko.
Yo, kasama yun? Sino yun? Yun?
Ito po. Yung best player namin, yung naka-black.
Si
Alec Nitro po.
Si Nitro. Oh. Ano ba? Sino pa?
Okay lang. Thank you po.
Okay, with the po. Again po. Win again po. 51-58. Team. 51-58. Winner po. Team The Hub. Thank you po. And good luck po sa mga next game po. 3, 2, 1.